Hi guys! Welcome back! So, nagbabalik na naman po ang inyong lingkod. And for today's video ay ipapakita ko sa inyo yung na-purchase namin sa Rituals. Taran! Ano to? Sponsor. Charot! Sponsor to ng aking mister. Member ako ng Rituals and also, ito yung nabili namin sa kanila. Kasi meron silang bago product, which is this. I really like this because it is purple. Wow. Violet. So, ayun nga, The Art of Dreaming. Yan. Ano siya? Parang gift set siya, ganun. Tapos, ito ay naglalaman. Charot. 7 gifts to enhance your dreams. Ito na, unboxing. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng kulay niya talaga. As in, sobra. So, na-open na natin siya. And dito sa box na to, kaya gusto ko rin siya kasi it comes with a dream journal. Ayun o. Kahit nga nung binili namin siya, yung sales lady nito, calm nung boses niya. Tapos, have that book, that dream journal. And it's really nice to read the book. So, it's not only like a journal, but it's also like, it has something in it. It has some like, yung parang empowering words and everything. Tapos, pag inopen mo siya, ang bango niya! As in, sobrang bango. So, ayan o. Ito yung nasa niya. Ang ganda-ganda, grabe. Ayan. May mga siya, may mga sayings, ganun. Tignan mo naman. Wow. So, parang kada, open mo, how to use your dream journal. So, ayan o. Ang ganda niya, as in. Love it. So, may mga ganyan. So, table of contents. Roots of relaxation, page 10, and also there's a path to awareness, that is page 20, tree of adventure, that is page 22, bath of bliss, page 28, mindful moon yoga, so ituturo din ito yung mga yoga, ganun. Tapos garden of well-being, oracle of dreams, lake of the soul. Diba? Parang, nakaka-relax. Tsaka may mga ganito din siya, oh. Ang ganda talaga. Ayan nga. So, sabi nga ng sales lady, it's not just about the, you will write something on it. You can also read and relax while reading. That's really good. Look at this. The pictures in here is so amazing. So, di ba nga journal siya? Ang bango talaga. Tapos mga yoga pa, ganyan. So, ituturo rin niya yung paano ka mag-yoga para ma-relax yung body and mind mo. Diba? Ang amazing ng Ritual. And to be honest, I really love their perfume, their lotion. Anything from Rituals is very calming. So, ayan. So, at night, when you finish all your work and then you want to relax, just go to your bed and then try to read this book. And then, it shows here the date. For example, you want to write something or describe your day. And then, before going to bed, you want to dream of something. So, it's really good and encouraging to write something in it. And then you never know, day by day, your dream will come true, and because you work so hard for it, right? So, yeah. I really love this journal and a book. So, that's number 1 for this list. And we have this number 2. This is, so every box here, it has like a sayings or it has something in it written. So it says, whether you are ready to sleep or take on day of your dreams, treat yourself with our cloud-like shower foam. So, i-open na natin siya. So, yun. Ito ay shower foam. Oh, wow. Parang ano siya, parang pang-whip. Hindi siya sa katawan to, sa katawan, okay? And then, we have number 3. Number 3. A mini moment of relaxation for body, mind, and soul. Listen to our own dream, to our dream meditation that you can access via the dream journal while you're applying this luxurious body cream. So this one is a body cream. Ayan. Ang bango nito. Soft Glow Body Cream. Kasi trinay ko na siya dun sa shop. Ang bango talaga as in. Ang bango. So delicious. Tapos, we have the number 4. It says, Hope is Waking Dream. From Aristotle. So, itong isang to ay candle. Oh, di ba? Tapos, meron tayo number 5, which is scent your surroundings with our soothing home perfume and enjoy the dreamy yoga flow inside your dream journal. So, habang nag-yoga kayo, ay, before kayo mag-yoga, ayan o. Meron siyang maliit na spray dito. Siyang maliit na spray. Ayan. Ang bango, grabe. Napakabango niya. Oh my God. Tapos meron tayo number 6. Go to number 6. And this is my favorite. Napakabango po nito, as in, promise. Ang bango niya. Ayan. Ito siya. Cloudscape Rituals. Kasi na-try ko to sa shop. Pagka ganyan ko, sabi ko, tapos, si Mr. nabanguhan din siya. Sabi niya, bango. Tapos, the last one we have here is, sabi dito, all that we see or seen is but a dream within a dream. From Edgar Allan Poe. Ayun! Ito din, trinay ko to sa shop. Body lotion. Oh, grabe. Di siya nawala. Ganito yung itsura niyo. Teka lang. Ah! Foamy, ganyan. So, pag inilagay mo na siya, let's try it in our, ganyan siya. Pagpasensyaan nyo na yung kamay ko na pang matanda. Charot. Kasi I work so hard. Tsaka lagi ako naguhugas eh. So, oh my God. Napakabango niya talaga. Tapos very, parang silk siya sa skin. I really love this one. Yeah. Bango. So, yun lang for this box. Ay, by the way, because I'm a member of Rituals nga, she said, may I know your number? So, I just give her my number. And then she said, oh, because you purchased this amount, then there will be a free gifts, freebies. So, she gave me this, the Ritual of Sakura. Actually, Sakura, Ritual Sakura is also very nice scent. I really love that as well. So, this one is ito yung gift. Freebies. O, diba? May pa-freebies. The freebies is Ultra Nourishing Shower Oil and then Body Lotion Mousse. Parang ganito rin siya. Body Lotion Mousse. Pero maliit lang siya. Ganyan lang. Pero magkano rin to, no? So, ayun lang for today's video. I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, you continue watching or you watch again. Yun lang, guys. Have a great day and enjoy your day. Be thankful and always smile. Bye-bye!